Alright, contestant number 11 is Kian Fuertes. Yes, Kian is awesome. Kian is a jazz all-state guitarist who also plays bass. I'm a true fisherman at heart, I don't know. Piano and drums. Next year he'll be attending Berklee College of Music. For tonight he will play guitar and sing "Stop This Train" for all of you.
I know the world is black and white. Try to keep an open mind, but just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train, I wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving. No, I can't. But honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say it. I don't want to see my parents go. One generation's length away, we'll find a life out on our own. Stop this train, wanna get off and go home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? So scared of getting older, I'm only good at being young. So I play the number games to find a way to say that life has just begun. I had to talk with my old man to help me understand. He said, turn 68, you're ready to negotiate. Don't stop this train, don't for a minute change your place. You're try my hand, John, honestly, I will never stop this train. See you once in a while, when it's good, and it feel like it should, and you're all still around, and you're all safe and sound, and you don't miss a thing till you cry when you're driving away. Singing, stop this train, I wanna get off and go home again. I can't take the speed that it's moving. I know I can't, cause now I see I will never stop this train.
History. Fantastic. I'm out here by myself.